Induction Innovations has created a quick way to remove decals, vinyl graphics, and more while salvaging bonded trim. The Inductor U211 Fast-Off Pad is an optional heating attachment for the Pro-Max, Max, and Inductor Lite induction heating tools. It allows technicians to remove vinyl graphics, decals, body trim, and much more while leaving little to no adhesive behind. This results in little need for toxic solvents. Plus, cleanup time is reduced or even eliminated. For this demonstration, we are removing a decal from a truck using the Fast-Off Pad on both the Inductor Pro-Max and the Inductor Lite. The invisible heat created by induction heating is the cleanest and fastest way for removing objects bonded to sheet metal. The high-frequency magnetic fields pass through non-metallic objects, heating the metal only, leaving the non-metallic parts cooler. The result is an easy release, and the adhesive stays with the cooler part. Before you begin, perform the preparations for use instructions in your user's manual. Start by setting your power midway between the low and max settings. Make adjustments to the power setting after you see how much power the work actually requires. Step on the pneumatic foot switch to turn the power on for the Inductor Pro-Max. For the Inductor Lite, you will need to turn the power switch on in addition to using the foot pedal to activate. Move the Fast-Off Pad in a slow circular or back and forth motion over a portion of the edge of the decal. After a few seconds, use an L wedge to lift the edge of the decal. If it lifts easily, keep upward tension on the item and move the Fast-Off Pad a bit further along, maintaining the circular motion. If it does not easily lift, continue to apply heat in a circular motion with the Fast-Off Pad for a few more seconds, paying close attention to whether the paint is in distress. Then try lifting again. Repeat these actions until the entire decal is removed. Once complete, release the foot pedal and turn the power switch off if you are using the Inductor Lite. For more information about the Fast-Off Pad and all Induction Innovations products, visit us online at theinductor.com.